So let's assume centers of these three circles. Centers of these three circles are ABC. So this radius is AA, this radius is BB, and this radius is CC. Now, one circle touches these two things. So, if you assume this center is O, for example, this radius is R. So, if you assume this is O, so OA length is coming like OA length is coming like A plus small r. OB length is coming like B plus small r. OC length is same like C plus small r. In the same way, if you take the big circle, which is such as this three things. If it is like this, then in that case, what happens? Somewhere here P is center is also like PA equal to capital R minus A, as these two are touching each other. PB equal to capital R minus B. PC equal to capital R minus A. So this is A plus R, B plus R, C plus R, and in this case R minus A, R minus B, R minus C, like this. Now, if you see this OAB triangle, that's what I am assuming is OAB triangle is alpha, OAC triangle is beta, this angle, OCA triangle is gamma. So, angle AOB equal to alpha, angle BOC equal to beta, angle COA equal to gamma. If you assume like this, then what you will get is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, you get 2. Even from P, if you join also, you get same type of situation. You get same result. This I'm forming only one equation here. But even if you take P also, you get same type of equation. I will say how. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal 2 pi means alpha plus beta equal to 2 pi minus gamma. So cos alpha plus beta equal to cos 360 minus cos. For example, from P, if you observe same situation, here also we get same thing. For example, angle APB is alpha if you also. Angle APC from this diagram, beta if you assume. Angle BPC if you assume as gamma. Then no doubt from this diagram, APB and APC, if you add indirectly BPC only. So there also you get alpha plus beta equal to gamma. There also you get alpha plus beta equal to gamma only. In both of them, cos of alpha plus beta equal to cos gamma will get. Now here what I am doing is cos of alpha plus, so separately no need to take this external point, means a big circle. Just focus only on small circle. Okay, you will get same type of equation. Okay. Now alpha plus beta equal to cos gamma. So if you simplify this here, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equal to cos gamma. So cos alpha cos beta minus cos gamma equal to sin alpha into sin beta. So here what I am doing is I am forming some equation, there's some identity I am finding here. Because we remember all results related to pi. We didn't remember a result related to 2 pi. So I am deriving this. So if you take square both sides, cos square alpha cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos sin square alpha into sin square. And write that as 1 minus cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square beta. Now if you simplify this result, the cos square alpha beta term is cancelled. Remaining thing if you simplify, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma equal to 1. So if alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 360 degrees, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma equal to 1. Just note down the steps. The space is not sufficient. At least 2 to 3 times I have to write all the calculations. Just note down the step. Sir? Sir? Yes, Sriram.
Sir, like, can you explain that alpha plus beta equal to gamma 1? Sir, I didn't understand.
If you take internal circle which touches these three things, you will get like this, correct? Even if you take external circle also, you will get same type of equation. Only difference is what? Just assume, if you see that external situation, triangle is like this. Here A is there, B is there, C is there. I don't know where is center. Here problem is I don't know where is center of this big circle.
Yes.
The center of big circle may be inside, may be outside. Correct?
Yes.
If it is inside, you will get same calculations. If it is inside, you will get same type of calculation. For example, if you assume angles are alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 1, if you assume, you will get same calculation only. Here you will get this equation.
Yes, sir.
For example, if P is outside of that, if P is outside of triangle ABC, this circumcircle, if you take like this, circumcircle is outside of ABC. In that case, what happened? I am assuming like this. Angle APB is alpha 1, for example. Okay. Angle APC is beta 1. Angle BPC is gamma 1.
Understood, sir. Yes.
Then alpha 1 plus beta 1 equal to gamma 1 you will get. So once again, in that case also you will get same equation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just note down this part. This still I am simplifying.
Then we can also do it in alpha by 2, beta by 2, gamma by 2.
Yeah, alpha by 2, beta by 2, gamma by 2, we are assuming as pi, correct?
Yes, sir. Then that is
pi.
Yes.
Directly you are writing identity in pi side.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
I use tan, sir, like tan alpha beta. We know all half angle formulas.
Okay. So directly you are using tan result.
Yes.
Tan alpha by 2 plus tan beta by 2 plus tan gamma by 2 equal to, you write tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 into tan gamma by 2.
Yes.
Sir, in tan terms, how to write, sir? After tan alpha by 2, what should we write?
Tan alpha by 2 value we will find with the help of this OAB triangle. In this OAB triangle, tan alpha by 2 you can find.
From cos alpha only, no, sir?
Yeah, from cos alpha you can find direct half angle formulas.
Okay, okay, sir. Half angle formulas. Yes.
So here, cos square alpha, next step what I am doing is, cos square alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 whole square. Like here sigma. Minus 2 into, here also cos square alpha by 2 is product of 1 minus sin square alpha by 2 equal to 1. Okay, so we'll expand this result here after that. If you expand this result, you will get equation in terms of, here I am giving it, we will apply the tan. I am thinking that method is a little better. So here, yeah, someone.
Sir, you wrote 1 minus cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square beta is 1, sir.
1 minus?
You had 1 minus cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square beta on the RHS.
Okay. No, I didn't. I simplified it. Here if you multiply this cos square alpha, cos square beta, double scan.
Yes, sir.
that is cancelled with this.
Oh, okay.
Here minus cos square alpha minus cos square beta left side is.
Okay, okay, sir.
So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma equal to 1 is.
Okay, sir.
This part I have later. So here what I am doing is sin alpha by 2 assume as x, for example. Sin beta by 2 is y. Sin gamma by 2 assume as z. If you are doing like this, then cos square alpha is coming like 1 by. Assume 2 sin square alpha by 2 is x. 2 sin square beta by 2 y. 2 sin square gamma by 2 is z. Then if you do this calculation, then what you will get here? This cos square alpha is coming like 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square plus 1 minus z whole square minus 2 times of 1 minus x into 1 minus y into 1 minus z. That's 2 sin square alpha by 2 I am assuming as x instead of writing the big equation. So this is equal to 1. Now if you simplify this equation, what I am getting is here if you simplify this x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 1. And this part is coming like minus 2 times of this 1 minus of x plus y plus z plus sigma xy minus xyz equal to 1. Now in this process if you observe this plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 cancel. Is it correct? No idea. X, this is 3. That's right. So this is 3 is 7. Then 1, 1, 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1, 1 cancel. Next, 2x, 2y, 2z is cancelled with this 2x, 2y, 2z. Now the remaining terms are x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx plus 2xyz equal to 0. Okay. Now I want to know what is that x value here. What is that x value here? Because same type of terms you will get in all the calculations. Okay. So this part I am erasing. So here, if you take this equation, what is x means? If you see this triangle, what is alpha in that figure if you remember? This diagram is a plus r vega as when you are taking circles. This diagram is a plus b and this side is b plus r. So in this S if you observe, this is equal to 2a plus 2b plus 2r by 2. This is a plus b plus r. Now what is sin alpha by 2 formula? Square root of s minus b cos a by 2 formula. S minus b, a plus b plus r minus a. So this is b, a plus b plus r minus of b plus r is by a plus r into b plus r. This is sin alpha. Just I am applying our half angle formula. If you take this is s minus b, a plus b plus r minus of a plus r is b, a plus b plus r minus of b plus r is a by a plus r into b plus r. So this is sin alpha by 2. So if you take square, sin square alpha by 2, I want 2 sin square alpha by 2, which is exactly same like x, equal to, we are getting 2ab by a plus r into b plus r. So if you substitute the terms here, that implies x value is 2ab by a plus r into b plus r whole square. The sigma I am writing instead of writing all terms. Minus 2 times of x into y. X means 2ab by a plus r into b plus r. Here also sigma. Sigma I'm writing. Sigma xy. Into y means what we'll get like 2bc by b plus r into c plus r. This is second term. Plus 2 times of xyz. 2 times of 2ab by a plus r into b plus r into y means 2bc by a plus r into b plus r into c plus r into 2ac by a plus r into c plus r. So if you take LCM, if you observe here, this a plus r square, b plus r square, c plus r square is the LCM. So LCM is a plus r whole square into b plus r whole square into c plus r whole square. So if you simplify this, what you will get here, this part is 4a square b square into here c plus r whole square. This part plus 4a square c square into b plus r whole square plus 4b square c square into a plus r whole square. The first part minus second part 2 times of this result is 4 ABC into b, ABC into b, that's 4 AB square c. So here a plus r into b plus r, if you observe b plus r square is there, only a plus r into c plus r is missing. So if we expand sigma, we get like this 4 ABC into b into a plus r into c plus r, c into a plus r into b plus r, plus a into b plus r into c. This is the second term of this. Plus last term 16 a square b square c square. So if you write all r square coefficients in one place, if you have the r square coefficient, here 4a square b square plus here 4a square c square plus here 4b square c square. Next here r square into b. So minus 8abc into, actually no importance for r square coefficient. Minus 8abc into here r square coefficient is b plus c plus a. This is r square coefficient. Next r coefficient if you observe. R coefficient if you observe. In this first term, here 2rc. So 2c into 4a square b square plus 2b into 4a square c square plus 2a into 4b square c square. Next here minus 8abc into, till it is not over, only this part is over, and this part minus here 8abc into this part b into a plus c plus c into a plus b, r coefficient only, plus a into b. This is r coefficient. Next last constant term 4a square b square c square, 4a square b square c square, 4a square b square c square. 4, 4, 4. 12 terms. 4, 4, 4. 12 terms plus 16. 12 terms plus 16. 28. A square b square c square. And still some more terms are there here. Here the constant term is minus 8abc into minus 8abc into here abc, here also like abc, 3 times of abc. So 24. Overall you will get constant term is simply 4a square b square c square. So like this you are getting quadratic equation r square. Calculations are little lengthy. Now here what is the roots of this equation is, so if you do all these calculations, so you are getting roots of this equation is small r and capital minus r. Reason is, whatever calculations you are getting for a plus r, same type of result you will get like a minus r in that equation. If you take the big circle, if you take same calculations you will get, but only difference is on the other side, right? Not a minus r, like r minus a will come. So indirectly that's minus of a minus r only. So we'll get roots of this equation are small r comma minus r. So our question is what? 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 is indirectly equal to like r2 minus r1 by r1 r2. So indirectly sum of roots by product of roots here. Sum of roots by product of roots. So sum of roots minus b by a and product of roots c by a. In that case, if you take, so that no importance for that x square r square quotient. So remaining thing, if you simplify, we will get 1 by r minus 1 by capital R equal to, I think 1 by 2 into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. 1 by 2 or 2 times of that. That's our question. That 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c into some 1 by 2 something. It's, if you note down, then remaining calculations.
Even in tan alpha by 2 will actually get fourth degree, sir.
In that 4 degree is coming.
Yes, sir. No, I thought that 2 roots will be r1, 2 roots will be minus r.
Okay. Here directly you are getting quadratic only in this one.
Yes, sir. Mostly that quadratic, like that fourth degree is square of this term.
Okay. So that equation is little big or simple to compare with this?
No, sir. It is more big on this, sir, because 2 times squaring is there.
So this is only better than.
Yes, sir.
Even if you take external circle also, we'll get same type of equation. Only difference is in the place of r, we have minus r. That is the only difference. R simply in the place of a, b, c, we have minus a, minus b, minus c in that. Because r minus a, r minus b, r minus c is there. So if you observe, you will get same type of equation.
This question we had discussed, sir. I remember.
In class we discussed this question.
Sir, for doubt clarification, you had told the solution.
Okay. I remember this question Abhiram Rao asked. Abhiram, you remember?
Sir, this is SL only question, sir. I have spoken it out.
Which question, sir?
This problem, I thought you asked this question.
No, sir, I didn't.
Because I wrote with your name in my iPad. Because when people are asking doubts, at that time I'm noting all these things.
Like I had asked this question, that's why I remember.
You asked this question, okay.
Yes. Sir, that time we had not derived this half angle formula. No?
No, we didn't derive of that. Just I gave hint only.
Yes, sir. That's why at that time I just skipped that question.
We didn't do all calculations, but I gave hint only.
Yes.
This time we are doing total calculations. Okay. So if you see this part, now if you take that sum of the roots, because here small r minus capital R are the roots only. So sum of the roots what you will get if you read this term 8a square b square c square. This if you see this part what you get 8 ABC common. You take 8 ABC common in all these things. Then here 8 ABC if you take common, here AB is remaining. Here AC is remaining. Next, BC is remaining. Here, in this case also, minus 8 ABC if you take come AB plus BC plus AC. In this case, minus BA minus AC. Everything is coming 2 times. Minus CA minus AB minus AB minus AC. Like this. So our formula is minus B. So this minus of this part in numerator. By denominator, what you get? 28 A square B square C square minus 24 A square B square C square is equal to this 4 A square B square C square. So this result is 8 ABC into this part is one term is
You can simplify that.
AB plus BC plus CA.
Yeah.
By 4.
4 A square.
So we take AB, BC, CA common. This is 2 times of
1 by A plus.
by A plus 1 by B plus 1. So that 1 by small r minus 1 by capital R equal to, we get 2 times of 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Calculations are coming too lengthy here. This is that. Any other doubts you have in properties of triangle? Any questions are in pending?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, that question with the Pythagorean triplet one, when we 2 days ago, you told check the calculations. If you
Yeah,
take
we'll do that.
yes.
Can you say that question once?
Sir, number of right angle triangles for a given value r equal to maybe 2009 or 2013.
I think one more clue they gave. Angle C is 90 degrees.
Yes, sir. Right angle. Yes.
Right angle triangle within radius
And-
130.
Only this clue is there.
Yes. Number of triangles is asking.
Only this thing. No other extra.
No. Sir.
Oh. So if you take this is A, B, this is C. We know R equal to like delta by S. So R equal to delta means here half AB by S. So this R into 2S means what? A plus B plus C means root A square plus B square equal to AB. So from this R into root A square plus B square equal to AB minus AR minus BR.
We can square both sides, sir.
Yeah, if you take square both sides, R square is to plus R square B square equal to A square B square plus A square R square plus B square R square minus 2 AB into AR minus 2 AB into BR plus 2AB R square. So in this part is R square A square, R square B square terms are cancelled. So even AB also you can cancel. What is the remaining terms here? If you cancel this,
2AB R square.
minus 2AR
Minus 2b.
plus 2R square equal to 0.
We'll add 2r square on both sides.
Like 2R square, A minus 2R
into B minus.
A minus 2R equal to 2R square. So here our idea is factorization of this. So how many ways you can write? Because A minus 2R
Sir, but we'll have to take half of the factors because we'll count them twice otherwise.
Twice, yeah. So R into 2009 square. So here our idea is how many factors are possible for this. 2009 is a prime number.
No, sir, divisible by 7, sir.
Divisible by 7 is correct. Can you say the factorization? Two into
7 square into 41.
7 square into 41.
So 7 square into
41 is not coming correct again.
Sir, 289 is coming, like 17 squares. 17 square whole square.
17 is coming.
287. 287.
7
that
into
is
7 into 41 whole square.
287 any factorization. One more 7 is
Yes.
2 into 7 power 4 into
41 squares.
41 square.
Now, how many factors are there for this? Number of factors. 2 into
5 into 3, 30.
5 into 3. So 30 factors. So, like product of the two things we are writing. 15 ways you can write. It's A minus 2R and B minus 2R. Because out of 30, one is A minus 2R, obviously other one is B minus 2R. Because you will get same triangles combination. Here, it's not like ordered by, like how many triangles only coming. Okay, like 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, we are treating in same way. We are not taking defect. So in that way, if you see, it's exactly half of that. Okay, so total we get exactly half. So 15 triangles are possible in this one. Yes, answer is 15 only for 2009. Now we'll see one more method. So this is the actual method. Okay. Next thing. Can I erase this part? Or given is not in this part. So total factors are 30. For example, here what we are doing indirectly is, if you take A minus 2R is 2, then indirectly B minus 2R is 2009 square. So in this process, no need to take A minus 2R is 2009 square once again, because you will get same value.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, I think factorization is wrong, sir. Like, you'll get 4R square, sir. With the factorization, you did. Oh, sorry, sir. Nothing, sir. I didn't say that 2R square on right side.
Okay. Because this 4R square, the 2R square is given 2R square.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. This I'm erasing this part. Someone say your method. What you did here? You take 2k here, k square minus 1 here, k square plus 1 here.
2k into something else. Should not take it as k square minus.
K square minus 1 whole square plus 4k square. Is k square plus 1 whole square only?
Sir, he is telling multiply it with some other factor also, like into n.
Okay. So if you take like this, it's not covering all Pythagorean triplets. If you take some into t here, no doubt. Okay. If t is a real number, remaining will cover obviously. If t is a real number, then all cases will be covered. Because correspondingly the t will change.
Yes, sir. Now we can write r equal to delta by s, and then
Then you,
simply comes into factors, sir.
so I thought you didn't take t. That's why I said you will get.
I took t, sir.
Yeah, if you take t, fine, because you are taking one more variable here.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you take 2k k square minus 1 k square plus 1, on that day we are discussing about this part. 2k k square minus 1 k square plus 1. Did not cover all Pythagoras triplets. Example, we take that 5, 12, 13 is not covered by that. So here if you take two variables, no doubt it will be covered by it. Now you get the
Sir, but again, k
Sir,
square
why
cannot be
will
integer.
discover also?
if you take delta, for example, if you take 5, 12, 13 is covered or not?
Yes, sir, but
We should not take it as
no.
k square minus 1. No, sir, we should take k square minus l square or something like that. One more variable.
No, you said this thing only, right? Or
No, sir,
Pythagoras-
I told k square minus l square, 2kl and k square plus l square into t. All of these.
So instead of 2k, you didn't take like this.
No, sir.
What you take?
I took it as t into k square minus l square
T into k square minus L square. Okay.
and then 2k tl.
2k TL. You are taking three variables.
Yes, sir.
Calculations are coming lengthy.
No, sir, they're coming actually very small.
Okay. So T into k square plus L square. So you are taking three variables, no doubt. Okay. You can find some k and L values correspondingly for every case.
Sir, whatever.
Okay, we'll do that. But delta value is what here? Half into.
Otherwise, we'll go by a plus b minus c by 2. Directly, we'll get nice values on this.
Because his doubt is his method what happened. Because already a plus b plus c by 2 in class we discussed. So he's saying one more better. Just we'll try that one.
This is divided by a plus b plus c
So
by 2.
a into t square into k square minus L square. This is delta.
Yes.
What is S value? Semi-perimeter. 2s equal to what? If you have these two results, TL square cancel. 2tk square plus 2tkl. So from this, S equal to tk into k plus L. Now, what you are saying, R equal to delta by S. So delta means k into L into t square by k minus L into k plus L. By here, t into k plus L. So t you cancel, k you cancel, k plus L you cancel. Then here R you are writing as L into t into k minus L. Correct?
Sir.
Now here what you are doing?
Sir, we can find number of integral solutions for different values of L and T, no, sir.
Okay.
Correspondingly, we can take K. K will come automatically if we take L and T.
Okay.
So,
Sir, but why should L and T be like integers?
yeah,
only?
that is only my doubt, sir. Why should they be integers?
No, it need not be integer. That's what you're saying.
No, his doubt is in his method also he is getting answer. I think some
Sir,
of
how
your
is he finding solutions for this equation, sir?
We can find number of integral solutions for L and T. Correspondingly, K will come because it has to be Pythagorean triplet.
No, L and T are like you are finding factors of R as L and T.
Yeah, in L and T.
Then K minus L will always be 1, no?
No. I'm not dividing R into L and T. I'm taking some factors of R into L and T, and K minus L is coming correspondingly.
he is not
I'm
saying
dividing into three factors.
he want to divide like subset of that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
So what he is doing indirectly is L into T is a factor and less than or equal to 2009.
Okay, yes. Sir.
What he is doing is L into T is factor of 2009 and less than this. So if you remember that chocolates method,
Yes, we'll add another variable here. Yes.
41 into 7 square. So indirectly that LTA.
Yes, LTA equal to.
So 41 chocolates we can give in 3 ways. And these 2 chocolates, how many ways you can give? Like 6 ways. 18 you are getting here?
Sir, I understand what method you did, sir, in the end.
No, here.
That's what. Now, how did you find the number of solutions of LT? That's what.
What
Sorry.
you are doing. Indirectly K minus L I am assuming as A here.
Yes, sir.
K minus L, indirectly I'm assuming as A here.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what correspondingly you are changing, correct? So the
Yes,
K
sir.
minus value only, if it is like this, it's confusing. So I'm writing A here.
Yes, sir.
So 41, this 41, I want to give for this LTA. So I can give in 3 different ways.
Okay.
One chocolate for 3 members in 3 different ways.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 chocolates for 3 members. One chance is 200, 020, 002. One more thing is 110, 011, 101. Like this 6 ways. So here you are getting 80.
Sir, once let me check, sir. In the 2013 question, it came, sir.
Okay,
Once
here
you
main
just
problem,
take 2013 and solve, sir.
yeah, okay, that also will check. But here main problem in this thing is, main problem in this question is, here this part. This L and T, because I know 2KTL is integer.
But L&T need not be integer.
L and T need not be integer. That is the
Yes,
main
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In our original method, what we discussed just now, in that
There is
we
only
don't
one person.
problem. Reason is we are selecting sides as A and B, where A and B are integers. This question is related to A and B only, so A and B are integers. There we don't face any problem. But in this case, when you are choosing 2KTL, that KTL need not be integers. KTL need not be integers. That's the problem in this. Okay, so this
But,
method
how did we get
may
extra
give correct
solutions?
answer, may not give correct answer. Not sure. Just now you said 2013 we got correct answer, but 2009 we are getting wrong answer. So it depends on the possibility of sites. It is dependent on the possibility of sites.
Sir, but how did we get more solutions, sir? Like, if L&T have no restrictions anyways, we should be getting lesser solutions.
Yeah, where here,
Yes, sir. Why are we getting more solutions, sir?
no more only how to get. Reason is 2KTL is integer means, for example, 2KTL is integer means maybe K equal to 1 by 2, T equal to 1, L equal to 1. Example I have said. Maybe here it's not coming correct, but maybe the reverse combination is working like that.
Yes, sir. Yes. No, sir. I'm saying in the equation wise, sir. Because that R equal to LT into K minus L. Because L and T need not be integers, we should be getting more solutions from what we are getting when L and T are integers.
Yeah. So when L and T are integers, we got 15 solutions. But here you got 18 solutions.
Yes, sir. So we got more solutions.
Yeah. So this is not correct.
Okay. Okay.
So this method is not correct here. Because you are getting more solutions in this method. Why that more solution is, here you are not solving all these things.
Or some repetition cases are also coming. Yes.
Because for looking maybe L and T are different, but KTL value may be same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't apply this method. Samarth. So apply the A minus R into B minus R method.
Okay, sir.
So depends on number, you may get correct answer sometimes, but method wise it's not correct. So chances are there to get extra solution based on what answers you are getting, based on this R value.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt is pending? Today afternoon, write the exam between 2 to 5. Sir will send the paper, and by evening, sir will send solution.
Sir, can you send the paper a bit early, sir? Like 1:30?
Yeah, surely will do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. But today it's enough. This properties of triangle, different problems in this step. In tomorrow's class, we'll start our next topic, matrices and determinants. Okay, like different, like first I will discuss theory. If time is there, tomorrow I will discuss problems. Assignments you got?
Yes, sir.
All assignments you got? All means matrices, vectors, 3D, I think PC probability.
PC probability we got before only.
Before only. What?
You got binomial and quadratic also, sir.
Binomial quadratic. Then binomial quadratic means I think only progressions is pending in that case then.
It is also given, sir.
Progressions is also there.
Progressions you got already. PC probability already I said.
No, sir.
Complex-
Progressions is sent recently, sir.
What?
Progressions also, sir.
Okay. So I think then all topics assignments you got then. Match wise. Anything is pending? Okay, just I will check if anything is pending. We'll see that. Okay, you can leave that. Very well, sir.